In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Classroom, a powerful tool that can enhance both teaching and learning experiences. Whether you're a student navigating through your classes or a teacher organizing your course materials, Google Classroom offers a user-friendly platform that simplifies these tasks. Let's dive in and explore the essential features of Google Classroom for both students and teachers. First, let's focus on students. To get started, you'll need to log into Google Classroom using your Google account, often provided by your school. Once you're signed in and you're at the main screen, look towards the top right corner for a little plus button. When you click this, you'll see the Join Class option. Selecting this will allow you to enter the class code given to you by your teacher. Make sure you enter this code correctly, as it will grant you access to all the resources that the class offers. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in the main interface of the classroom. Here you'll notice three crucial tabs: Stream, Classwork, and People. The Stream tab is where you'll see announcements from your teacher, as well as any class discussions. It's a hub for the latest updates and essential messages. The Classwork tab is all about your assignments, quizzes, and learning materials. This is the core area where you'll find your tasks and deadlines. Lastly, the People tab gives you an overview of your classmates and teachers, creating a sense of community and support within the course. Submitting assignments in Google Classroom is straightforward. Navigate over to the Classwork tab and click on the specific assignment you wish to complete. Make sure you read all instructions, which you can do by clicking View Instructions. Once you understand the task, you can upload your work by selecting Add or Create. Options for adding your work include Google Docs, slides, PDFs, and more. When you're all set and confident about your submission, hit Turn In and you're good to go. Now let's transition to the teacher's role. Creating a class is your first step, and you do this by pressing the plus button and selecting Create Class. Here, you get to enter the class details like the name, section, subject, and room. Once your class is set up, it's time to invite your students. Head over to the People tab and click on Invite Students. You can do this by adding their emails or simply sharing the class code with them. Keeping your class informed and engaged is crucial, and the Stream tab is your go-to for posting announcements, reminders, or sparking class discussions. To distribute tasks and evaluations, you'll use the Classwork tab. Click Create and you'll find options for assignments, quizzes, and questions, allowing you to build a comprehensive curriculum. With these steps, you're ready to effectively make use of Google Classroom. Whether you're a student organizing your workload or a teacher structuring your class, this platform streamlines communication and resource management, making education more accessible and interactive for everyone involved.